In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar as a to-do list. This is a fantastic way to keep your life organized in one convenient place. With Google Calendar, not only can you track your appointments and deadlines, but you can also manage your tasks efficiently. Let's dive into how you can do this step by step. First, head over to your Google Calendar. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Once you're in your calendar, take a look at the top left corner for the large Create button. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu offering multiple options for what you can add to your calendar. From the drop-down, you'll see an option labeled as Task. Click on this option to start creating a task. Now it's crucial to add a clear and descriptive title for each of your tasks. The title will help you quickly recognize what the task is about, so make it specific. Next, set a due date for your task. Simply click on the desired date in the calendar that pops up. Setting a due date is vital for time management, helping you keep track of when each task needs to be completed. Optionally, you can also add a description or additional details about your task. This can be useful for jotting down important points or instructions related to the task. Once you're satisfied with your entries, go ahead and click Save. This will add the task to your calendar, where you can view it alongside your other events. To enhance the visibility of your tasks and differentiate them from other types of entries, you might want to assign a different color to them. To do this, visit the left side of your calendar screen where your calendar categories are listed. Click on the three vertical dots next to Tasks. Here, you can select a color that makes your tasks stand out. After creating tasks, you can manage them by using the task icon on the right panel of your Google Calendar. Clicking on this icon will show you all the tasks you've entered. This is where you can easily check off tasks as you complete them by clicking the radio button next to each task. If a task requires further breakdown into smaller steps, you can add a subtask. To do this, click on the three vertical dots on the main task, then select Add a Subtask. With the subtask open, add a descriptive title and details if necessary. Just like with main tasks, you can also select a due date from the calendar, and when done, make sure to click on Done to save it. By following these steps, you can transform Google Calendar into a comprehensive to-do list and streamline your schedule. This will not only increase your productivity, but also ensure you are always on top of your responsibilities. Thanks for watching, and here's to efficient task management.